a supermarket. I'm not know. But feel like dress up a little. I feel dress up. Just put in my earring and wear my glasses. I say, alright, I'm going to head out to the supermarket. And get some stuff we need. Just to stock up our supplies and things like that. But yeah, let's go to the bell. Let's go to the bell. Dun, 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 dun. I can never remember a good word. I said, oh my god, let's go. Hey guys, so now we're en route to the market, and you don't know, if you know, you know. This is my very own driver. He drives one of the tuk-tuk. His name is Sammy. Believe you me, the village is so important, even if the village speaks a different language. He is an amazing asset to have. He's so helpful and always readily available to help us however possible. We have to just say give thanks. I cannot stress enough how important it is to have good people in your corner, even when you and them barely can communicate. But trust me, he is an asset to us. He is an asset to us. Stacks and stacks of milk products, especially like milk itself. But most of them don't come in boxes. It comes in little bags like this, and then you have the box one. So yeah, stacks and stacks of milk products. So cows are sacred, but they're not exempted from milking. Or if I want fish, how much for that one? Yes, how much?
What's the fish?
I think I'm gonna take how much for the chicken? 230?
Yeah,
okay. Could I get it cut up in small pieces? Huh?
How you want this?
Small pieces. This boy creates excitement because we buy cold water. Yeah, I got it at big markets. It was in the fridge. Yeah. Cold water. Alright. I'm gonna pack out my bag you now and see what I got. Ding. Ding.
Ding.
Ding. Okay guys, so I legit have a grocery haul for you guys, but before we get into the grocery haul, something very racist happened to me and I just wanted to share it. Raje, can you turn on the volume on that please? Alright, so something very racist happened to me and I just wanted to share it here because racism is real, and even though I did not expect it, in India it does happen. What happened is that I was in big market. I was making my purchase. You know me, I go through, I pack up my things, then I look a video and thing. I noticed a group of young persons behind me, but I wasn't paying attention to them, right? It was not, they were making like sound. Not paying attention to them. As I said, I was just going about my business, just to do my thing. Then, I looked for some pasta, because Raje only like the penny pasta, so I was going through the stack and thing, and also checking my phone for the list and thing. And then I noticed that I'm not sure if it's like the man, I don't know him, but him always in a big market, and him don't wear a uniform like the other persons. But he came down the aisle, he was walking, coming down the aisle, and I don't understand what he was saying, but the tone and his body language, let me start to look around, and when we look around, I realized that the guys behind me, they were filming me, right? But this is not strange for me because since I've been here, a lot of persons do that. They do film you, right? Even though it is like so unacceptable, they do that. So, I'm not pay them no mind. But then the guy was like really angry now, and he was like, you're not supposed to be doing that. And then when him start chipping the little English night now, I start pick up on what they're going or whatever. So they were behind me, and then he actually got them out of the store, because I have been to this like 2 or 3 times a week. I actually buy stuff here, and it doesn't look like they were actually buying anything. They were just in there, and they had a little altercation, and then I saw them being escorted out. And that was really good. I felt really good then, because they were discriminating against me, and I felt, I feel like I made a go ball. This is the second time like I've experienced racism here, and it made me feel really, really bad and really, really low. The first one was when a guy on the street was selling plantain, and him decide him not sell me plantain. He's a big man, not a guy. Him blatant to tell me him not sell me plantain, and I wanted the right plantain, right? Yeah, but that monkey sound behind me. Oh my God, me traumatized by it. Me not telling a lie. Me traumatized. Me never know say something like this could have really happen in a country where there are people of color. We are all people of color. None of them the white. Even if the persons are white. I mean, this is 2023. Come on, guys. Come on, man. Acceptance. And I felt so bad. I felt really, really terrible about it. I was saying it to my patient relation officer, and she was like, she felt so bad knowing that we're here and experiencing stuff like that. That was eye-opening, to say the least. Yeah, so that happened. And I'm so glad that the store owner, I'm not sure if he's a store owner, I don't know if my team leader, I don't know if my supervisor, I don't know what he is, but he saw what was happening and he came to my defense, and I'm so appreciative of that, because he could have just allowed them to continue doing their thing. As I said, they were behind me and I was not really paying attention. Me hear them, but me nah penny them. You understand what I'm saying? I just do my thing. But it was when me turn around now, me realized that there was an audience, like 5 of them, and them a video and them a carry on. Because alright, sorry about that. So my space run out from my phone and I had to cut. But yeah, I didn't expect that. That was really traumatic for me, and yeah, I just felt that I needed to say something because that was terrible. But I'm glad that the owner did something, and it made me feel a little bit better. Now back to the all. So in total, I spent what would be converted to $50 US, right? So you can work it out in a JMD, and then you can see if my purchase was worth it or not. I need somewhere to just cut them out so that I can see exactly what I bought. I can show you guys exactly what I bought, okay? So I'm gonna put them out. So this is my grocery haul. I think this is the second grocery haul that I've done since being here. So shopping haul, let's go. All right, so first up, we got this. I got eggs. Just 6 little egg, not big and fancy about that for breakfast. I got 6 apples, and let me try to tell you the price in something the dollars. Where money name again, Raje? In rupees. So the 6 apple is 264 rupees, and then the 6 egg is for 44 rupees. Just gonna put this right here. Got 3 plantain, 47 rupees, and got a bread. And as I told you guys, their bread is really, really small, really small. So this is the Vita sandwich bread. That. So I got a bread. How much for the bread again? I don't know how much you bread. I really don't remember. Then I found some sweet treats, and this is thing there. Sweet sop. What do you call it? I can't remember my name. I didn't call it, but sweet sop. And so this is some really me thing there. I got two oh my God, sweet pepper. Capri Sun pepper. I know that was the name, but in Jamaica we just call it sweet pepper. And the yellow one, why man charge red to yellow? Or the red one is for 24 rupees, while the green one is for 13 rupees. So different variety, different price. And then of course, yeah. Neesberry. Yay, Neesberry. So I got some Neesberries, and this is about 8. Where am I finding on the right? 8 of them for 75 rupees. My God, Raje. You have to go wait till tomorrow. The one you are ripe, you know. You have to go wait till tomorrow. Return. So it's about 8 of them for 75 rupees. Ooh. And then pasta sauce, you know, we love make pasta, and I got 3 of these, but I only want to find another bag here, but the other 2 must not have a bag. 3 of these, they're nice. The brand is nice, and it is for 20 rupees for the 3, I think. Yes. So 50, yeah, 20 rupees for 3. And these taste just like Shirley biscuit, just like Shirley biscuit. And really nice. Very nice. And the name nice. It tastes just like Shirley biscuit. This is really good. I love this. The irony behind that. And of course, I got my favorite pasta sauce. I love this pizza pasta sauce. I love this. This is really good. I feel like I'm gonna buy a car back home with me to how much I love that pizza pasta sauce here. So much better than ragu. And of course, I got some penny pasta. Green tea for myself. Green tea for myself. I get some Nescafe 3-in-1. Yeah. He doesn't look like one in Jamaica, but a Nescafe anyway. So I got 3 Nescafe. I got caramel tea for Raje, because that's his jam. Yeah. I did get a Tropicana Lychee Delight. And I also got this other one. This is the grape, but this is a different brand, and this is real fruit grape fruit juices for Raje. And then Heinz ketchup, Heinz She got some Heinz ketchup. How much is Heinz ketchup again? 240 rupees for the Heinz ketchup. Of course, you can get ketchup cheaper than that because they do have their own ketchup and the price is significantly less, but Raje love Heinz, so I buy Heinz. Did I tell you guys how much for the pasta? 150 rupees for the pasta. Oh, okay. So I got a big tin of chia seed to make my oats in the morning. So I got this chia seed. Not sure if you guys can see, because I got this chia seed. This is really a nice size container, right? And I paid, how much is this now? I'm gonna see price on this, because normally whatever price is printed on it is the same price in the supermarket, but we can't find the price right now. For some reason I can't find the price. But anyways, I bought this chia seed, and then I got oats to put them together, right? And this is their oats. The one that I bought before previously, I think it was in my last supermarket haul. That oats they did really coarse, and like old-fashioned oats, it was really coarse. It was rolled oats, and if you know rolled oats, you know so rolled oats hard for go down. You have to blend it out in order to make porridge. So I got this type this time, manza oats and chia seed to put together to make my little thing. Oops, man! I need what do you call it, Raje? Tripod. Can do when whenever I go to the supermarket, they encourage that Raje eat a lot more yogurt and milk. So whenever I go to the supermarket, I always get it because we don't have any fridge, so I cannot store it. So Raje, which flavor you want? Blueberry or strawberry? Blueberry for Raje Blue. Here you go. Alright, so blueberry for Raje. And one is for like probably 2 rupees or something like that. So it's them cheap. As I said, I could have buy them and like keep them, but we don't have a fridge to put them up, so I have to just buy one of them. Yeah, they're really cheap. Them cheap. What else did I get? I buy 2.5 pound of chicken, and this 2.5 pound of chicken is 236 rupees. So yeah, I go curry she when we're done. This is the turmeric last year. I'm saying I have try it, so I buy that too. And this is for 149 rupees. Things that are not food stuff are very expensive. They're expensive. Things that you don't need expensive. I also got dried berries because we cannot buy the frozen berries or the real berries because them think they too quickly. wait now. Them spoil really quickly, and I don't have a fridge to put it in, so I buy the dry berries to put in our thing there in our smoothies in the morning time. Let me tell you how much for the dry berry. Can't see price for it, but I think 100 and so like 365 rupees for this container of dry berries. I'll catch her right here, so there we not a space. What is them again? Floss. Got a pack of floss. And as I was saying before, they're encouraging that Raje drink a lot of milk for help with his bone density. Got 3 little containers of milk. I normally buy them whenever I go big market. I normally ensure to get them. 3 little milk stuff. Same can have that. And buy a pack of gum. And here are the other 2 nice, right? And I also got a razor blade. Shave my eyebrow because I look like I look very bushy. So sorry, razor blade. I got a pack of razor blade. No much feet, man. They look much feet. Oh, $2. Lie. 24 rupees. 24 rupees for this. I tell you, say things that you don't need expensive, but food things not that expensive. But things that are not a need can run you one night. Spend like 100 rupees for this, like seriously. For the floss. So things that is not a need is very expensive. So I guess them I say you must know if you want to buy that. You're lucky. Alright, so this is all that I got for, as I said, basically 50 US dollars. And yeah, come run it off. I run it off to 50 US. That's a lot of stuff. That is a lot of stuff. Because I now have no space for a little counter. But I normally put my things there. Let me show you. Yeah, so that is it. Full counter. Plus I have 2 juicer ground and my chicken when I go cook right now. Yeah. And I did buy a big bottle of water. Cold water. I already attacked that a long time. Yeah, so that is it for the grocery. I hope that you did enjoy this video, and please don't leave without you like,
share,
and subscribe. Until next time, thank you so much for being here, and yeah, big up on your nice clean self and have a wonderful day.